scary. I think the city center, here is the monument what we're going to see, and here you can see the old city and the new big city. I don't want to check here Japanese, and there is apparently something like a Japanese band. So apparently they had a Japanese convention where they had anime stuffs and Japanese food, and Japanese bands were singing like Japanese idols, and it was so much fun, and it was all free, and they had this for 2-3 days there. And I think Bangkok is a place where you can go and stumble upon in any event or anything can happen there any day, so you have a lot of programs and stuff to do.
Have a sneak peek preview on 8 to 13. Okay. Just about 28 p.m. Okay. Just kimono.
Bangkok has a lot of malls. This is the Centralworld one. It's huge. I don't know how many floors exactly, but you can see it. It's crazy. And you can find here lot of restaurants, like Michelin star restaurants, and all the fancy shops and normal shops. So I recommend you to go there and see it.
Up or down?
องค์การส่งเสริมการค้าต่างประเทศของญี่ปุ่น JNCO ค่ะ องค์การส่งเสริมการท่องเที่ยวแห่งประเทศญี่ปุ่น
So now we are going to try this Michelin star. I don't know the name exactly. Hua something.
big size. Okay.
Tung Sui Heng Pochana is a traditional Thai and Chinese eatery, and it's known for its roasted duck, goose, and often noodle soup. And it was really yummy. I recommend this place. And it is not a Michelin starred restaurant, but is a Bib Gourmand, in a Bib Gourmand category awarded. So it's a must to try this. Look this. How I can eat this. Oh my god, really good. You should try it. It's with garlic. What are you? So we ordered the duck noodle soup and the offal soup, which Juan didn't like, and it was full of legs and intestines and crazy stuff. So it was not. I mean, it was tasted good, but the meat was not the best, and as you can see, Juan not enjoying it. And thank you for watching my video, and see you next time for another adventure.